Today I'm going to show you how to wire up the quick release so that your horn works on a Miata with an NRG hub and an NRG quick release. So the green wire, as we said in the previous video, is what controls the horn. This is the power cable for the horn. So when you ground this, it'll honk. So you're going to want to put a female end on this, preferably shielded. You're going to grab the end of the quick release that stays on the car, and you're going to hook this up to the yellow. So this one to the yellow. You don't necessarily have to hook up the ground because all of this is going to be grounded anyways. So hook this up. I usually like to use some heat shrink or electrical tape, whatever, just to prevent it, because I've had times where I'll set it all up and even though I use one of these, somehow it'll get grounded and it'll honk. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to connect this together, put some heat shrink, and then bolt it down. Make sure you finagle all the wires in there nicely. Do not squish them like this. So you're going to have to grab something in there, push this up. That way you're not squishing any wires. And once it's all sitting flush, bolt it down. So you got it all torqued down. Make sure you go in a star. Do not over tighten them, because if you strip these, you're going to have a really bad time. Make sure you're not squishing any wires on the outside. And if you hooked up the black cable, one way you can test this is just by touching these two posts here together really quick. And there you go, it's working. So on to the next step. Part of this install, putting the steering wheel on the other half of the quick release, putting it on to the hub, and you're good. Make sure you torque these down the same way in a star, and then you're gonna have your positive and your negative. Final part of this install is getting the horn button into the steering wheel, wired up and working. In the case of this Momo, this button only has one hookup, and you're going to put the positive here, the yellow. This ring right here is going to make contact in here, and that'll be the ground. So when you click it, let me see if I can do it here. Yeah, when you click it, it'll honk. You might have to remove this to get some more clearance in here, because you don't need it for this specific button, but for some wheels you will. And also the NRG quick release comes with this metal ring in here. Make sure you shove it in there before or after. Make sure it's in there, because that's going to take up the rest of the slack, because this is a smaller button. I believe NRG wheels have a much bigger button, and that one just snaps in. So like I said, hook up your connections. And this is going to be the weirdest part of this install, because it is kind of tough to get this in here. So I'm going to pause this, get this in, and we'll be done. So after a few minutes of messing around, the button is in, centered, and done. Very simple. Don't listen to all these weird complex tutorials. Just follow the basics and you will have a working horn in your Miata. Do not overcomplicate it. It's literally 2 wires. You'll be good to go. I made another video on how to install the hub, and along with this video you will be able to complete the whole steering wheel installation. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you around.